Adiga Telematch 2024, Circassians in Canada. The annual Adiga Telematch event for Circassians in Canada was a vibrant and lively affair held at Centennial Park in Toronto, Ontario on Saturday, August 10th. The event saw a record number of 341 participants, who traveled across Canada from Halifax to British Columbia, and a huge and welcomed participation from the US's northern states. Furthermore, we had international participants who came from Germany, Saudi Arabia, and UAE. The competing teams, named after prominent Circassian legendary characters such as Team
Badanoka,
Team
Sosroka,
Team
Nartsana,
and Team.
Tapsh,
Each team consisted of 40 players of different ages. Team
Sosroka,
won the Telematch games, while Team
Tapsh,
won the volleyball tournament. In addition to the exciting competitions, the event featured a sales section that proudly exhibited a diverse collection of Circassian artifacts. Adding a touch of artistry to the affair, Haisam Kucha showcased his captivating collection of Circassian-themed paintings, with the proceeds from the exhibition dedicated to supporting Circassian charities around the world. Since its inception in 2012, the Adiga Telematch event has grown to become the central annual gathering for Circassians in Canada. By bringing together members of the community from across the country, it continues to play a pivotal role in fostering social and cultural interactions. It's remarkable to note the significant growth of the Circassian community in Canada and the influential impact of their activism on a global scale. Notably, the Circassian Repatriation Organization CRO, based and registered in Canada, stands as a testament to the community's commitment to actively supporting repatriated Circassians in their homeland, making a difference across the globe.